Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. I'm Josephine, but I'm known as JojoFine01, and thank you for joining me on this video. Please forgive me that I've been gone for a while. I'm back now. I'm back filming. Please support this channel. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow this family. This is a safe space for you to ask questions about beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, whatever you want to ask at the comment section. Someone will be there to help you. I will also be here to help you. This is the foundation tutorial. If you want to see the eye look, check out my next video because I was reviewing the new Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. We're back. Okay guys, we're going to start this tutorial. I'm going to start by priming my face. Always moisturize before foundation, before makeup. So I'm going to, it has moisturizer and primer. You can use it as a moisturizer and a primer. I've seen it all over social media. And if you have this product, let me know at the comment section. A lot of people rave about this. I must say this is very hydrating. The next thing, I'm going to apply foundation. I'm going to be using this Mass Factor foundation. If you have it, let me know at the comment section. Let's see to pump. Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. This foundation blends in so well. It looks so flawless. Oh my god. Wow. This is nice. And this foundation said 3-in-1 foundation up to 30 hours wear. And it's a primer, concealer and a foundation, and it has SPF of 20 and it's vegan. Boom. Like affordable boom. This is nice. To be using 2 concealer to conceal my under eyes. I'll use this one first by F. This is the F 16 hours camo concealer, and I'm going to be using the Revolution's super size conceal and define concealer. These two right here. That's what I'm going to be using today. Start with the F. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know. I'm going to go in with the Revolution. I never will. No. So I choke you down just like a pill. So now I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell cuff case in deep. If you follow me on social media, you must have seen this everywhere on my page. I'm obsessed with this. This is amazing. You have 8 products for £30. Sometimes they are always doing sales on what I call it, TikTok or on their website. Like, this is a beginner friendly palette. You have your contour shade and you have your blush shade. I'm going to be using these 2 shades to contour, and I'm going to use these 2 shades as a blush. Tap 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 and apply. A little bit of this goes a long way. You can see the blend of that. Oh, this is so beautiful. Just look at that blend. The cream blush. I'm going to use this 2 shades. Oh, like I'm just dabbing a little bit. I'm not even a cream blush person. If you have followed me for a long time, you know I always say it. I'm not even a cream blush person, but this is beautiful. Applying blush on my nose now. Like, things have changed. So now I'm just going to blend my under eyes and set it with the powder. I'm going to use one of my favorite powder. This is Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. This is the Baby Bake powder, and I'm using the shade Banana Bread. Everything is blended well under that foundation. Everything is just seamless. This is how my face is looking now. I'm just going to go and finish up my eye look, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to link the eyeshadow review on the video. I'm going to bronze my cheekbone using the Juvia's Place bronzer palette, this one right here. I'm just going to mix the two shades together. This is in the shade Dark. I'll just use this highlighter by Estee Lauder, this one. Oh, that's beautiful. For lipstick, I'm going to use this from Huda Beauty. I'll link it on the video. This just brings the look together. How beautiful is this? I'm just going to spritz my face using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay guys, this is the final look of the foundation routine. Like I said, make sure to check out the eye look. And if you have any question about the product I use, if you want me to do a detailed foundation routine, tell me at the comment section. Leave me a comment at the comment section. Let me know what products that you want to see next. I need suggestion, guys. What do you want to see? I want to bring out videos that you want to see. And if you have any questions, let me know at the comment section. Like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.